Understanding, anxiously awaiting, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, anxiously awaiting. It's a common expression you might have heard in movies, read in books, or seen in emails. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it correctly? Let's dive in together and find out. Anxiously awaiting combines two words, anxiously, which is an adverb, and awaiting, which is a verb. To understand this phrase fully, we need to look at each part separately and then see how they work together. Anxiously comes from the word anxious, meaning feeling worried or nervous about something with an uncertain outcome. It describes how someone is feeling. Awaiting means waiting for something. It's a bit more formal than just saying, waiting, and it usually implies that you're expecting something specific to happen. So, when you put them together, anxiously awaiting describes a situation where someone is waiting for something and feeling nervous or worried about what might happen. This phrase is particularly useful in scenarios where there's a significant level of anticipation or concern about the outcome. Here are a few examples. Before results, you might anxiously await the results of an exam, meaning you're worried about what your scores might be. Special events. Before a big event like a wedding or a job interview, you could be anxiously awaiting the day to come because it's important to you, and you're nervous about how it will go. News or decisions. When you're expecting news that could have a big impact on your life, like a medical test result or a job application response, you're likely to be anxiously awaiting that information. Now that we know what anxiously awaiting means and when to use it, let's look at some sentence examples to help you get comfortable incorporating this phrase into your own English. Personal anticipation. I am anxiously awaiting the release of my favorite author's new book. Professional context. The team is anxiously awaiting the client's feedback on the project. Social situations. We are all anxiously awaiting the announcement of the party's location. And that's a wrap on anxiously awaiting. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of this phrase but also how to use it effectively in various contexts. Remember, feeling anxious is a natural human emotion, especially when waiting for something important. So next time you're in that situation, you'll know exactly how to express it in English. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.